Welcome to Health 2660. Here we don't just talk about health, we tell the stories that heal. Now please listen to the story. Harold, a man, etched with the graceful lines of 68 years, stood at the base of the staircase, a monument that had once been a mere convenience. Now it loomed before him, a stark reminder of his body's perceived betrayal. It wasn't just any staircase, it was his staircase, the one that led to his cozy den filled with books, model ships, and the comfortable armchair that had witnessed countless evenings of quiet contemplation. He remembered scaling those stairs two at a time, a spring in his step, fueled by decades of hiking through mountain trails, navigating rugged terrains, and embracing the invigorating challenge of nature. He was in his younger days a veritable mountain goat, agile and seemingly tireless, but those days felt like a distant fading photograph. Now, each step was a deliberate labored effort, his breath growing short, his legs burning with an unfamiliar fatigue. The simple act of ascending to his den had become a daunting ordeal, a physical manifestation of his aging body. The doctors, with their detached professional air, had offered a simple, dismissive explanation. "It's just age, Mr. Thompson. It happens to everyone." Their words, though, delivered with clinical precision, felt like a sentence, a declaration of irreversible decline. Harold, however, was not one to surrender to the inevitable. He was a man of resilience, a man who had faced challenges head-on throughout his life, a man who believed in the power of the human spirit to overcome adversity. He had built his own business from the ground up, weathered economic storms, and even nursed his late wife through a long and debilitating illness. He wasn't about to let a few weak legs dictate the terms of his existence. He refused to accept aging as a fait accompli, a predetermined path of decline. There had to be a way, he reasoned, to fight back, to reclaim his strength, to once again conquer the staircase and the world beyond. His determination ignited a spark, a burning desire to find a solution, to prove the doctors wrong, to defy the limitations imposed by age. He spent hours online, poring over medical journals, research papers, and articles on nutrition and exercise. He delved into the complexities of muscle physiology, the role of nutrients in muscle repair and growth, and the impact of aging on physical performance. He was a man on a mission, driven by an unwavering belief in his ability to regain his strength and vitality. One particularly late night, fueled by lukewarm coffee and sheer willpower, he stumbled upon a study that seemed almost too good to be true. It detailed how a specific combination of nutrients, leucine choline and nitric oxide, could dramatically improve leg strength and endurance in older adults. The study highlighted the synergistic effect of these nutrients, how they work together to stimulate muscle protein synthesis, enhance nerve function, and improve blood flow to the muscles. The sources, according to the research, were surprisingly accessible, simple everyday foods like eggs, whey protein, and beets. Leucine, an essential amino acid, played a crucial role in triggering muscle growth and repair. Choline, a nutrient vital for nerve function, helped improve communication between the brain and the muscles, enhancing coordination and strength. Nitric oxide, a molecule that widened blood vessels, increased blood flow to the muscles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients and reducing fatigue. The implications of the study were profound. Could it be this simple? Could the answer to his weakening legs lie in a combination of readily available nutrients? The thought was both exhilarating and cautiously optimistic. He had tried various supplements and exercises, but nothing had yielded significant results. This, however, felt different. It was based on solid scientific research, a specific combination of nutrients with a clear mechanism of action. He decided to embark on a self-experiment, a 7-day challenge, to test the validity of the study and to reclaim his lost strength. He meticulously planned his meals, incorporating eggs and whey protein into his breakfast and making beetroot juice a daily staple. He also committed to light walks every morning, gradually increasing the duration and intensity as his strength improved. It was a holistic approach, combining targeted nutrition with gentle exercise. Day 1 began with a sense of nervous anticipation. He scrambled 3 eggs with spinach and cheese, followed by a scoop of whey protein mixed with almond milk. The beetroot juice, though not his favorite flavor, was surprisingly palatable, a slightly earthy sweetness that he quickly grew accustomed to. He laced up his hiking boots and ventured out for a short walk, starting with just a few blocks. His legs felt heavy tired, but he pushed through, focusing on the promise of regained strength and vitality. Day 2 brought a subtle shift. His legs felt slightly less fatigued during his morning walk. The beetroot juice seemed to provide a sustained energy boost, allowing him to walk a little further. He started to feel a flicker of hope, a belief that his experiment might actually work. He documented his progress in a journal, meticulously recording his meals, his exercise routine, and his subjective feelings. He wanted to have a clear record of his journey, a testament to the power of nutrition and determination. Day 3 was marked by a noticeable improvement. He climbed the first few steps of his staircase with relative ease, a feat that had seemed impossible just days before. He felt a surge of energy, a renewed sense of purpose. He allowed himself a moment of quiet celebration, savoring the small victory, acknowledging the progress he had made. He knew he still had a long way to go, but he was on the right track. Day 4 was the breakthrough. He climbed the entire staircase without stopping, without feeling the debilitating fatigue that had plagued him for months. A wave of emotion washed over him, relief, joy, and a profound sense of accomplishment. He stood at the top of the stairs, looking out the window at the sun-drenched landscape, feeling younger, stronger, and more alive than he had in years. He had conquered the staircase not through magic, but through science and commitment. The remaining days of the challenge were a testament to the power of consistency. He continued his routine, meticulously following his meal plan and exercise regimen. Each day brought further improvements, his legs growing stronger, his energy levels soaring. He started to incorporate more challenging hikes into his routine, rediscovering the joy of exploring nature, the exhilaration of conquering mountains. By day 7, Harold was a changed man. He had not only regained his leg strength, but had also rediscovered his zest for life. He felt younger, stronger, and full of energy. The doctor's pronouncements of inevitable decline seemed absurd, almost laughable. He had proven them wrong, not through defiance, but through knowledge, dedication, and an unwavering belief in his ability to heal himself. He had transformed his body not through expensive medications or invasive procedures, but through the simple power of food. Harold, invigorated by his success, felt compelled to share his journey with others. He started a blog detailing his experience, sharing his meal plans, and providing scientific evidence to support his claims. He wanted to inspire others to take control of their health, to challenge the limitations imposed by age, and to embrace the power of nutrition and exercise. He wanted to show them that getting older didn't necessarily mean losing strength, that sometimes the right food at the right time could change everything. His blog gained a following, a community of like-minded individuals seeking to improve their health and vitality. He received countless messages from people who had been inspired by his story, who had tried his 7-day challenge, and who had experienced similar results. He became a beacon of hope, a living testament to the power of the human body to heal itself. He even started giving talks at senior centers, sharing his knowledge and inspiring others to embrace a healthy lifestyle. He emphasized the importance of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset. He encouraged them to challenge the status quo, to question conventional wisdom, and to take responsibility for their own well-being. One day, a young researcher from a local university contacted Harold. She had been following his blog and was impressed by his results. She proposed a collaboration, a research study to investigate the effects of his 7-day challenge on a larger group of older adults. Harold, thrilled at the opportunity to contribute to scientific knowledge, readily agreed. The study was a resounding success. It confirmed Harold's findings, demonstrating the significant benefits of leucine choline and nitric oxide on leg strength and endurance in older adults. The results were published in a prestigious medical journal, further validating Harold's claims and solidifying his reputation as a health and wellness advocate. Harold's journey, from a man struggling to climb stairs to a renowned health advocate, was a testament to the power of determination, knowledge, and an unwavering belief in the human body's ability to heal itself. He had transformed his own life and had inspired countless others to do the same. He had proven that aging was not a sentence, but an opportunity to embrace a healthier, more fulfilling life. His story became a legend, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit can triumph, and that the right food at the right time can indeed change everything. Harold continued to inspire and educate for many years, writing books, giving lectures, and always emphasizing that age is just a number, and that with the right mindset and the right nutrients, anyone can live a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. His legacy lived on a testament to the power of one man's determination to defy the limitations of aging and to inspire others to do the same. He became a symbol of hope, a shining example of what is possible when we take control of our health and embrace the power of our own bodies to heal and thrive. The staircase, once a symbol of his decline, became a symbol of his triumph, a reminder that even the most daunting obstacles can be overcome with knowledge, dedication, and an unwavering belief in ourselves. Health 2660. Thanks you for listening. We'll see you in the next video. And until then, be kind to yourself.